friends, and welcome back to Decorate Your Life. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you this really cute card that I made with one of my dies from Temu and our brand spanking new paper collection, Stars and Stripes. And this cute card, along with everything else that I show with this paper collection throughout the month, is going to be up for grabs to one lucky winner. Make sure that you check out our links and giveaway rules in the description down below. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the video. First, we're going to have a walkthrough of this month's new paper collection that is called Stars and Stripes. It is a very cute and very patriotic paper collection that I believe it lends itself for many projects, not necessarily for the 4th of July, but any Americana themed paper craft that you might have in mind. It makes great decorative pieces as well. I think I just love the old Americana feel of it. I remember when my in-laws were alive, my mother-in-law had this Americana theme bedroom that she had decorated for as the guest bedroom. So every time we went to visit them at their home, it was themed with these beautiful Americana pieces and vintage pieces, and I just absolutely loved it. And that is where this inspiration came from. If you would like to see more of our patriotic scrapbook paper collection, you can always visit us at Decor8yourlife.com and also at our Etsy shop. I will go ahead and leave those links in the description area below. And please, by all means, make sure that you visit the members of our design team to see what other crafty goodies you can make with this adorable patriotic paper collection. Okay, friends, so here is what I made for this month's giveaway project share. It is this really cute card. I just love the way this came out. Now, I did use one of my die sets from Temu, and if I find it, because the stuff there sells really, really quick, because it's priced to sell, right? So, yeah, I'll go ahead and link it if I find it down below, and I'll go ahead and provide you with my coupon code as well, so you can get percentage off. But anyhow, I used Stars and Stripes, and oh my gosh, what a cute, adorable paper collection. And this is the first Americana theme that I have ever done, and like I said, I was so inspired by my mother-in-law. And so yeah, now this card took a heck of a lot of work, because as you can see, it has several parts to it. But not only that, you know, when you die cut something like a card like this, for example, and you just use your regular 65-pound scrapbook paper, sometimes it's just how would I put it, using scrapbook paper alone, when you die cut a shape such as this one, it's not going to be enough. And this is the first time that I've made something with wide open spaces, okay? Actually, this was just one die. I turned it into an actual 3D card. Okay, so what I had to do was, not only did I use craft paper, you know, like scrapbook paper, just regular cardstock, I should call it, I used my 65-pound paper, but I also had to use, I don't know if you could tell, regular craft paper. Plus, I went ahead and used foam to thicken it up some so that it would be sturdy. And then I kept looking at it and everything before I put it together, and I was like, no, it's not sturdy enough. So what I wound up doing was I went ahead and took some acetate because I needed something that's really sturdy, but that obviously you can see through, look through. So I went ahead and I die cut a piece of acetate paper, and that did the trick. So anybody out there who's looking to make a project such as this that has a lot of open spaces that kind of like takes away from the strength of your craft project, you can go ahead and use acetate, you know, because obviously I wasn't going to use watercolor paper because I wanted it to be see-through. So yeah, it worked out really great. It was a lot of work. It took me like 2 or 3 afternoons to die cut and put everything together and to think about how I was going to make it sturdy. Okay, so yeah, that went into that. And then for the actual box, it's just a regular box that I made using the 80-pound black cardstock that you find at Hobby Lobby. That plus my 65-pound scrapbook paper collection was good enough for that. And over here, what I wound up doing for the wheels was I used the glitter foams and then the regular, because this is one piece, okay, the whatchamacallit, the wheels are a separate piece. So I wound up putting these on top of here, and then behind here, as you can see, you have the foam, you have the acetate, you have the other cardstock that went into it. So it should be very sturdy. You know, you can put candy or whatever in it. So I was also working on some treat toppers. This is not finished. Well, it may or may not be finished. I don't know. I might go ahead and just want to leave it alone because the image, the illustrations are so cute. And so this is supposed to go like this, as y'all know, and you're gonna get a goodie bag here with some items in it. So this is what I have so far for my projects. Showcasing Stars and Stripes by Decorate Your Life. And yeah, let me know in the description, I always want to say description, I mean to say the comment section below, what you think of this. I mean, it was a lot of work. Is this something that you think you would want to do, or you're glad that somebody else did it and perhaps you can win it? But anyways, yeah, make sure that you check out the rules, the giveaway rules down below, and in your comment section, let me know what you think of this card. It was a lot of work, but I think it was worth it, don't you think? I think so. So anyways, yeah, and please enter me, and please be sure to go ahead and check out our other members, or the other members of our design team, because they work just as hard as I do in their beautiful projects, and they have some amazing ideas. And what I love about our design team, and Jenny did such a great job in this, is she chose different people with different niches, so that way everybody has something different to bring to the table again. And I think that that is something that our viewers appreciate, and I want to thank our design team members for that, for always bringing their best to the table. And so yeah, be on the lookout for my next video, where I will show you more items that I have made with this paper collection, and pay our website a visit. If you're more comfortable through Etsy, go ahead and place your orders through Etsy. And I hope that you love this paper collection just as much as I have enjoyed and loved making it for you. Thank you so very much for watching. Make sure that you thumbs up our videos, and make sure that you subscribe to all of our channels and click on that bell notification. I will see you once again real soon. Bye now.